Want to master Revit for professional construction documentation? Whether you're an architect, BIM modeler, or student, this video will show you how to turn your Revit model into clean, clear, and professional construction documents. Let's dive in. Construction documentation in Revit starts with a solid model. From that model, we generate views, plans, elevations, sections, and details. These views are then placed on sheets and exported for use on site. A smooth workflow ensures accurate, coordinated drawings. Start by creating the necessary views. Use view templates to maintain consistency across your documents. Adjust scales, visibility settings, and graphics to match your project standards. Don't forget to use crop region and scope boxes for clarity. Revit offers powerful annotation tools. Use dimensions for precise measurements. Add tags to doors, windows, and rooms automatically. Use keynotes and text for detailed explanations. Always annotate on views, not the 3D model, to maintain sheet clarity. Construction sets often include wall sections, connection details, and legends. In Revit, use drafting views to create 2D details. Combine detail components, lines, and filled regions for clean visuals. Add legends to explain symbols and materials. Now it's time to compile. Create sheets using your custom or company standard title blocks. Drag your views into the sheet space. Align them using the guidelines and keep things organized. Add a revision schedule if needed, and double-check your sheet numbering. Once your sheets are ready, export them as high-quality PDFs. Use batch print for an entire set. And remember, keep your model organized, use templates, and always coordinate with your team to avoid errors. That's how you master Revit for construction documentation. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Revit tips, and comment below with your biggest documentation challenge.